Let's now do a practical exercise with index and match so you can see exactly how to use it in Excel. Back to our table. Let's say that we want to extract some data for a given employee. Let's write here John. And now we will start using index function and match. First, let's start with match to find the row and to see exactly what this function is. So equal match. In the lookup value, we will look for John. Then we need to write the lookup array, which is a column. Then we want to have exact match. I will hit enter and we receive number 2 because John, you see in the column A, is on the second row. Then let's use index. Equal index. Index will return the salary. So we will focus on the salary. So equal index. On column C, we want to see the third salary in the range. Let's say, sorry. So the third value in the range is 374. So it's Nora salary, but here you see it's on the third row because we wrote number 3. So this is index function and here we have match function, and now you'll see how to combine them and obtain a great dynamic function for such data. So I will write here another name, for example Olivia, and also Jack, and let's start using index and match. First I will write equal. The first function, it's index because we want to bring the salary for each name from column E. First, we want to bring the value. So it's column C. Then we want to have the match. So match, we'll open the brackets and we'll select the name of the employee. And we are looking in the column E for this name. And we want to bring the exact match. Now I will hit OK. It was a bracket, so we need 2 brackets here, and I want to freeze column A and C, so the dynamic value will be only the name. And here we are. We have the exact value for each employee, and as you can see, we are fine. All the values are correct. This is a great combination of index and match function. And also, if I will insert another column here, the values will remain the same, which is great for dynamic tables and dynamic data sets. We can also use match to find column numbers in a horizontal table, or combine index and match twice for 2-dimensional lookups, even for rows and for columns. Also, you can write and you can combine if error with index and match. So if someone enters an invalid name, they get a friendly message. For example, if here, let's say we have rows, we have a not applicable, not available message. So I will put in front of the formula if error, and on the last argument, I will write employee not found. And that's it. And if I go back to Anna, let's say, I have the correct value. So this is a great way to play with your data sets without losing values when you modify some information from the table.